Hey there, this is Paul Carson with Philadelphia Mortgage Brokers, and in my conversations day to day with homeowners and want-to-be homeowners, you'd be very surprised with how many folks have an otherwise very solid and near perfect credit profile, and then we're starting to our process. We take a look at credit, and when boom, we kind of get a little bit of a surprise. Sometimes a collection pops up that folks may not have known about, or they did know about, and they didn't know what to do. So if you have had a collection and you're stuck, you don't know what to do or how to proceed, maybe you're worried, is this collection going to prevent me from being able to get mortgage financing? So all these are kind of concerns that to this topic. You can go to annualcreditreport.com, and as a consumer, you and I can get a copy of our free reports from the 3 bureaus once a year. So that's the first thing. Go get a copy of your report and see if this collection is hitting all 3 of those bureaus. Really the goal here, if there is an unpaid collection, before you pay that collection, you want to make sure you contact that collection company and negotiate what's called a deletion letter. Say, hey, I owe you this $25, but in exchange for this money, I need you to remove this from my credit profile because it's causing me harm and it's not allowing me to move forward in the mortgage process because it's hurting your credit score. So more oftentimes than not, as long as you contact the credit collection company, start to go up the ladder in terms of talking to managers and supervisors, getting someone that's actually going to listen to your concern and have the authority to draft that letter that you need with the specific information saying that, okay, ABC collection company, that $25 medical collection, here's your name, your address, your account number, here's on this pretty piece of paper that you can use. And then we can take that piece of paper and then go to the credit bureaus and say, hey, credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, this medical collection's paid. This creditor said that it's an error, it's paid, resolved, and they're in the process of removing it from the credit profile. So we can take that letter and then get that permanently deleted from your profile. Now, this is it, everything works out. They agree to do the deletion letter. One big piece of advice, do not pay a collection company any money until they agree to help you remove this item, because you have the leverage in this position before, because once they're paid, they don't want to help you, they don't care. They've gotten their money, they've done their job, they are in no position, they're really not incentivized to want to help a consumer get this removed, because the purpose of why it's on your credit report is to cause harm, to hurt you so you'll pay the bill. So you have an opportunity to pay that bill, hopefully negotiate that to get it deleted, or alternatively, if that collection has been paid, why hasn't it been deleted? We see that a lot as well. Folks have paid that collection, it's marked as paid, but it's still causing their scores to be pushed down in the process. Similar approach here, we want to have them dispute that collection that's been paid within the website where you can go get your report, back to annualcreditreport.com. So once you have your annual report, you can then go into each of the bureaus and dispute it. If we have a copy of your report on the lending side, we're going to let you know, hey, you've got a collection, it's reporting at either 1, 2, or 3 different bureaus. Here's an approximate range of how it's affecting your scores negatively. And if you are able to get this disputed and removed and deleted, you can expect a score bump of about this. So if you have questions about how a specific collection on your profile is affecting not only your scores, but your possibility to get mortgage financing, let us know how we can help. Reach out to us on our team at phillymb.com.